देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती मेरे देश की धरती
मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती
सुनाते हैं गम को सो दूर हो जाता है खुशियों के कमल मुस्काते हैं हो सुन के रहट की आवाजें सुन के रहट की आवाजें यूं लगे कहीं शहनाई बजे दुल्हन की तरह हर खेत सजे
दुल्हन की तरह हर खेत सजे
मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती मेरे देश की धरती
मेरे देश की धरती इस माटी को जो जीवन का सुख देती है हो इस धरती पे जिसने जन्म लिया इस धरती पे जिसने जन्म लिया उसने ही पाया प्यार तेरा यहाँ अपना पराया कोई नहीं यहाँ अपना पराया कोई नहीं है सब पे माँ उपकार तेरा है सब पे माँ उपकार तेरा
मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती
We have crossed 66 years of free independence and they are very happy. And to be a part of KIDSI, it is a very big pleasure for all of us. And I am very excited to see so many parents coming enthusiastically and making this program a successful one. I welcome wholeheartedly on behalf of KIDSI to all the parents and students. Our association Baramati. I request him to come forward for flag hoisting. Give a big round of applause to Mr. P.T. Gandhi. Okay, we'll listen to
15 ऑगस्ट निमित्त हार्दिक शुभेच्छा सर्व विद्यार्थी विद्यार्थिनींना व माझ्या वतीने पीटी स्कूल ग्रुप 2 टाकतो विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी 15 ऑगस्ट निमित्त. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
Giving your hand for us. I would like to give him a small bouquet to welcome him wholeheartedly. Thank you very much. Now I would like to call a small Advika Kakad. Please come forward. We listen to these beautiful children speaking.
We got Independence Day. Victory. Thank you. Very good. Teachers and warmers today watching debate Independence Day. My friend, do you know what is Independence Day? Independence Day means the day we got freedom. Gandhiji, Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, all came. I love my country. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you. Good morning, friends. Teacher. Today, I want to tell you something. India is our country. 16 August is our Independence Day. In the version of 1947. When you give us the day, our elders children, all of my dear, thank you.
Shake. Come.
I like Bapuji, who lived for Dr. Gandhi, 2nd October 1869. Mother's name is Putrabai. Bapuji Sata Ansha. Thank you.
Very good. Come, Mehak Dogra.
My name is Mehak Dogra. Respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. I like to speak if you want Independence Day. This day is celebrated on 15 August every year when India becomes free from the British rule. The Prime Minister hosts the national flag, the Red Fort, Delhi, which is our capital city. The national flag hosted in schools and government offices. The patriotic song, the national anthem, can be heard everywhere. Flute are the freedom fighters and national heroes. I like a singing song. मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी. जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय. Thank you.
Guest is very happy for for Dogra speech. He has given ₹100 for her as a
Principal, teachers, and my dear friends, I wish you happy Independence Day. India became independent on August 15. August 15, 1947, India attained freedom from the British rule. Every year, August 15 is celebrated as our national festival with great enthusiasm all over the country. We should really proud to be born in this country. This country gave birth to charismatic leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many more. Patriots have laid down their lives to make the country free. It's our duty to pay homage to all those patriots. Thank you. Rakesh Gandhi, my national hero name Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. People call him Bapu. Good night, Om Dev. Junior KG class. I tell about one of the famous Indian freedom fighters, Lokmanya Tilak. He was born in Ratnagiri, a port in Maharashtra. His father was a teacher. He was a brave boy. I read two newspapers, English and Maratha. He said, Maratha is my birthright. I shall have it.
very good, very good.
My teachers and my dear friends, Mahatma Gandhi ji,
Very good.
Principal, teacher, and all our friends. Today I am going to speak a Afghan freedom fighter. Her name is Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai is a great woman. November 1800. She called Manu in her childhood. As a child, she learned how to read, how to write, how to recite. She took her training as a soldier. She was married to Gangadhar Rao Gangad. After her husband died, she started to rule the kingdom. When Britishers attacked the kingdom, she fought bravely. At last she died due to her bravery, courage, and wisdom. She became an icon of independence movement. On honor to her, I only want to say, खूप लगी मजानी वो जाती की रानी थी. Thank you, friends. God, respected teachers, parents, and my friends. I am Priya Amol Atway. I am studying 1st standard. Today is 15th August. This day we celebrate as an Independence Day. Some leaders helped us to get freedom for our country. I am standing here to give speech on Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was one of the great soldiers. She was born on 19 November 1828 in Varanasi. Her real name was Manikarnika. She fought with Britishers to create freedom for our country. She told to Britishers, "मैं मेरी जाति नहीं दूंगी." We always respect and love her. Now I have finished my little speech. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Respected sir, respected principal madam, and my dear friends, my name is Vidhi Gaurav Chaudhary. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, we got independence from British. We are celebrating 67th Independence Day. Many great people like Mahatma Gandhi, Chacha Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Lokmanya Tilak and Sardar Patel fought against British to make our India free. Let us salute them. Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Hind. Thank you. Respected sir, madam and dear friends, today is 15 August, a very special day for all Indians. I am Priya Shahu. I feel very proud to speak something on this special day as Independence Day. Today is 67th Independence Day, the 65th Independence Day of our country. The British people were ruling our country for hundreds of years. Our national leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Nehru, Subhash Bose struggled for a long time to get full freedom of our country. Some leaders and some great people were punished and imprisoned. Some people died in this country, rising up their voice for independence. After a long time, in 1947, August 14, midnight, all the British people left India. After this night, we gave total freedom of our country, the British. To remember this victory, we celebrate August 15 as our Independence Day. And pray for good wishes of the alive souls. May this Independence Day very happy and prosperous for all us. Jai Hind. Friends, Superman and all teachers, today is Independence Day. I am going to tell about our national flag. There are three colors: saffron, white and green. In middle, Ashok Chakra. Saffron represents courage and sacrifice. White represents truth and peace. Green represents prosperity. Ashok Chakra represents the laws of Dharma. I am proud of India and our national flag. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you, friends.
Have given their beautiful speeches in front of us and make us happy. Now I would like to call the students who are singing a beautiful song which has been composed by Mrs. Meenal Jadhav of our school, and I call all the children to please sing that song.
We are Indians, bold and free. We are Indians, we love our country. We are Indians, we love our country. We will guard it and keep it free. We will guard it and keep it free. We salute
some of the prizes for our students who have secured good marks in our first tier. Like we have started our Nurture International School. So we have started our first standard class. So we want to felicitate our meritorious students who have shown good results in their first test. We are going to have 6 tests every year. So we are appreciating the efforts of the child by giving them a small memento. And request the chief guest, Mr. P.T. Gandhi, to please come forward and felicitate our children. Second, Atharva Chaudhary. A very big applause for Atharva Chaudhary. Very good. Keep it up, and I request all the other class students also to take their efforts to take prizes. Third, Sahi Gulumkar. Very good. Thank you very much, sir. Now I request our parents to make the place vacant. We are having a cultural dance program of our children. So we need a space where they can show their talent. very good. And I thank all the parents for spending their precious time and taking all efforts, especially the parents who have participated today. Their children have participated. It is not their participation, but it is parents' participation. Because unless parents are taking efforts, our children are not able to do anything. So we are proud to have very good children with us today and very good parents. And I would like to thank our chief guest, Mr. P.T. Gandhi, for having come all over and making this program a successful one. And we wish to have such more great programs in future. Thank you very much.
देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती मेरे देश की धरती
मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती
सुनाते हैं गम को सो दूर हो जाता है खुशियों के कमल मुस्काते हैं हो सुन के रहट की आवाजें सुन के रहट की आवाजें यूं लगे कहीं शहनाई बजे दुल्हन की तरह हर खेत सजे
दुल्हन की तरह हर खेत सजे
मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती मेरे देश की धरती
मेरे देश की धरती
इस माटी को जो जीवन का सुख देती है हो इस धरती पे जिसने जन्म लिया इस धरती पे जिसने जन्म लिया उसने ही पाया प्यार तेरा यहाँ अपना पराया कोई नहीं यहाँ अपना पराया कोई नहीं है सब पे माँ उपकार तेरा
है सब पे माँ उपकार तेरा
मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती हीरे